Meet the TEXMO Mini Monoblock Pump, AQUA GOLD Series. From the trusted house of AQUA Group, it's the silent force powering everyday water flow. Struggling with poor water pressure? Frustrated by slow tank filling? Worried about rising electricity bills or unreliable pumps? We get it. You deserve a performance you can count on. Say hello to dependable water flow. TEXMO AQUA GOLD 4 self-priming mini monoblock. Pump is compact, precise, and powerful. Engineered to perform, so you never have to think twice. One pump, multiple uses. Perfect for home water supply, overhead tank filling, garden irrigation, small construction needs. Key features: high flow rate, fills faster, works harder, up to 4,000 liters per hour, higher head range, pumps water up to 150 feet. Precision winding, machine wound for consistent output. Built tough with durability. Rugged motor body, grade cast parts that resist wear. Forged brass impeller for a smooth, balanced flow. Made to last. Corrosion-resistant shaft for all-season resilience. Leak-proof, mechanical sealing, compact and lightweight. Easy to handle, install, and maintain. Built with care, backed by trust. Every AQUA GOLD Mini Monoblock Pump comes with inbuilt thermal overload protection, premium-grade components, proven performance across conditions. No shortcuts, no surprises. Just consistent, reliable water flow, day after day. Thank you for choosing AQUA Group. We're proud to power your home's TEXMO Mini Monoblock Pump, AQUA GOLD Series. The power behind your everyday water flow. Get in touch today.